Earn $20 over and over on Autopilot. What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can earn $20 over and over on Autopilot. You do nothing. This is passive income, this is worldwide, they do pay out via PayPal. What you need to do is stay with me here to find out all the details. But first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm going to show you here on how you can earn $20 over and over by simply doing nothing here. This is super easy to get started with, works worldwide, they do pay out via PayPal. So what you need to do is pay attention, watch the whole video here so you don't miss out on any important information and you can get started to do this right as soon as today here. If you're interested also in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at when we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's see how we can earn $20 over and over on Autopilot. Let's get started. Alright guys, so first off here, this is HoneyGain, and you can see here that we can make money online with HoneyGain. You simply download the app, you turn it on and earn, and it is as simple as that. Now you can see here it is available on both platforms here, so depending on where you want to download it, if you are on desktop, Android or on Mac, you can download it here. So let's have a look at the details here on how it works. You just install HoneyGain on preferred devices, you connect the devices to the net and you get paid. It is as simple as this 3-step formula. Now HoneyGain's network is used by business clients for web intelligence and content delivery. HoneyGain manages the connections and payments, and HoneyGain shares your unused net traffic with data scientists. And that is exactly what this is all about. So basically you share your unused net traffic there with HoneyGain and with the data scientists, and that is how you earn money. You don't have to do anything at all, exactly as they say here. You just install the app, you let it run there and you earn money. I mean, this is so cool. So let's go a little bit further here and have a look. Here is actually how you can estimate on how much you can earn here, okay? So it totally depends on how much you're going to share here per day. You can see for 1 gigabyte per day you earn $3 per month. But if you go to the maximum here, 100 gigabytes per day, you can actually earn up to $300 per month. Now this might not be available for everyone to do, but I would say, I don't know exactly what could. It totally depends on your network connection here actually. So still, it doesn't matter, even if we are at the lowest one, you earn free money here guys. So this is insane, okay? You earn free money, you just install the app there and you let it run. So let's have a look at the more details here. Let's see here, this is easy to use, hassle-free, as we do all the nitty-gritty programming work for you. You help businesses that you're surrounded to create a better future for everyone, and you get paid for using the full advantage of your internet. Now first, when I had a look at this, I was a bit skeptic, so I had to read through and of course see the details that we are going to have a look at here real soon. So let's see what else it says here. This is also very nice. You send your friend $5 here, you earn more yourself. So send your friend your $5 referral code and you get 10% of their earnings. I mean, this is super cool, okay? You earn 10% of their earnings in passive income here as well. So another great chance to increase your earnings with HoneyGain here. So here they do explain what is HoneyGain. The traffic will come from approved business partners who run web intelligence, market, research and content delivery services. Now HoneyGain network enables hundreds of consumer-facing business to research the web and make the future brighter. And it is used for brand protection campaigns, perform SEO monitoring, as well as conduct ad verification and content delivery services. So let's go have a look here a little bit. You can see there is a blog section. If you are interested in that, let me just open it up real quick. You can see and read here about some articles that they do have here. But I'm actually interested in showing you here the frequently asked questions here. Because as I said, you might be a bit skeptical. I was in the beginning too here, but I did my research on this and they are totally legit actually. So let's have a look at it. What is Honeygain? It is a crowdsourced network company which enables other businesses to conduct web intelligence, market research, and content delivery. So what does it do? What does the Honeygain app do? Is it safe? Okay, because that is exactly what I asked myself. So the app facilitates proxy services to third parties such as data scientists, Fortune 500, and other trustworthy companies. Is it safe? Yes. Your security is important to us, and as the queen bee knows her bees, we know what every partner uses their network for. So that is really nice. Is my personal data safe with Honeygain? 100%. We don't keep any data of our clients. The only data we will have is what will be necessary for this service here. Now this includes your email address, your IP address, and your chosen payout methods. So I think these are actually good answers that we are getting here, because it is good to know what we are sharing our internet connection with. Now, how is my payment calculated? You can see here that you earn credits for every kilobyte of data you bring in. So after collecting enough of credits, you can convert them to US dollars. 10 credits are equal to 1 cent here, 1 USD cent. So your top locations is that there is no top locations. So as I said, it is a worldwide opportunity. Doesn't matter where you are located as long as you have a good internet connection there. Now, does it work on Wi-Fi and mobile data alike? Yes, Honeygain works both on Wi-Fi and mobile data. Mobile data has to be turned on, of course, in the app settings there. Now the minimum payout is $20 US, and that is why I said that you can earn $20 again and again. I've seen full of payment proofs around the net, so they do pay out, don't worry about that. But as soon as you have reached $20, you can of course cash out, and then you're getting started from the beginning again. So what is the current payout rate? You earn 1 credit for 10 megabytes of traffic that goes through you. So for 10 gigabyte you earn $1 US here. Of course it is via PayPal. I mentioned this earlier as well here. And is there a way to increase my earnings? It's simple. Install Honeygain on more devices and connect them to multiple networks, let's say work and your home. So if you have a few devices available there, one here and one there, you can connect them, of course, and of course you will earn more. And there is also the referral program, which we'll have a look at here real soon. Now, what networks does Honeygain work on? So Honeygain only supports your home and mobile networks, the IP addresses. If you are connected to another type of network, you will see the following error: network unusable. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now, how many devices? Here they do explain that you can have it on 3 devices on a single IP address. Now, IP address is the address that is located for every internet connection there that you have. So your home has 1 IP address there. And but to have the best revenue potential, you should have 1 device per IP address, that they say it here. Okay, so keep that in mind also. Now, how much data Honeygain uses? You can expect of a usage of up to 2 gigabytes per day there. So we can reach a maximum of 15 gigabytes per day, as they say here. Can I protect myself from using my whole data plan? Yes, you do that by simply turn off the mobile data usage in the Honeygain app settings of, or if you are on Windows, you right click the Honeygain. So this is good to know, so you don't run out of your mobile data there, okay? Because it will actually run out and you will get started to pay instead of getting paid there. So can I set a warning? If you are on the Android device, you can do that, but if you're a Windows user, they are working on a solution for that. Your credits can't expire, you can see that too. Here they mention on how you can contact them. They do have a Facebook page. And of course, as I mentioned earlier, they do have the referral program also. So you can invite your friends with a personalized link and you earn 10% of their daily earnings there. The more friends you refer, the more you will earn. It is as simple as that. Can I use Honeygain if I'm underage? Now you see here the legal age of maturity depends on the country you live in. So have a look at this also. So how do you know that it is working? They do explain that also. And they don't support VPN, so don't go ahead and try that too. It's a bad idea here. And what happens if I switch off my Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi is out of reach. It will pause automatically and will wait until it's able to reconnect back to the network. Alright guys, I don't think that I will have... You can have a look at the rest of the details for yourself here or go to the blog section. Now, this is totally up to you. If you think that it is unsafe, do your own research, of course. I did my research here. I couldn't find any negativity in this actually, so 100% legit in my opinion. So what you need to do is just download the app and get started, let it run there, and the more you let it run, the more you will earn. It is as simple as that. And of course, if you refer friends, the more you refer, you will earn actually even more money with it. You could see that it's definitely not something that you are going to get rich on. While it is a great way to earn some passive income online there, you earn free money, you don't do anything at all, you're definitely not going to get rich. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell also, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship, and much more. And you're going to find another Make Money Online video recommendation at my end screen here right now. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.